Little girl, you look sad, I mean really sad, like your heart has been broken in two. Well, you don't have to cry, come on, dry your eyes, and I'll tell you what to do. You've gotta find a little happiness, someone to care, who every night will be waiting there to hold you tight and kiss you tenderly. And darling, you can find that little happiness with me.
Where can I find a little happiness? Where can I find a little happiness?
Little girl, don't be blue, I know what you've been through, 'cause I've had a sad, broken heart. Won't you try love again? This is not the end. This could just be the start. You've got to find a little